I always wanted to plant some artichoke, globe artichoke. I have Jerusalem artichoke, which is a different plant. The artichoke, which is globe artichoke, you eat the petals of the flower. And this one is called artichoke green globe. So it goes to 1 meter 75 centimeter, and width will be 120 centimeters. So 60 centimeter, 2 foot from each side. It needs the space. So I had a few also from seed which I grew last year. So I'm planting this one which I bought as a plant along those one there, and a tiny one there. And we will see how they will do. This is the first time I'm doing this, so hoping that I will have some flowers this year, or at least good growth. I've added some chicken manure when I was digging for planting, and I got it in the rest park in the Bedfordshire. It's a big garden and kind of manor house. That's it, 2016. We will see how the artichoke will do.